Hello, welcome back to another amazing video of Crochet Craft Corner. In today's video, I bring different table runner designs. These super stylish designs will add look to your table. So don't forget to craft these designs. These are super easy to craft. Hope you will like this video. If you like, please do comment, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel so you can watch the upcoming videos, and also don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Enjoy the video. Bye bye.